Thank you for dropping here. Hammock Mountain. Thank you, thank you. Scott, thank you, Scott. Nasam, thank you. Everybody's here. Happy Valentine's Day. Norms TV from Hammock Mountain. How are you, Alex? I'm fine. It's still pretty. Charot. No, it's a joke, Scott. So 10 minutes leave.
Want to get Preschool 3 Plus.
From the moment I saw
Rondon! Thank you, Rondon! Sisling Don!
strong, it could
Ayan, lumalayas naman siya na trending! Or are you not trending?
walked into my life.
I'm glad po. Always maganda, Anes. Good to see you, Smam. You're always right in my deep po.
My dream,
Thank you, Sis Askat.
every whisper, every touch tells me I found too much in your arms. I feel complete with every heartbeat. You're
Appreciated, Scott, to visit my life.
the light in my night, the reason I dream, the stars in my sky.
Ingat ka rin lagi, Scott. Ingat ka lagi. Huwag mo pabayaan yung ano mo ha, yung katawan mo, alagaan mo lagi. Take care always with yourself. Yeah, thank you. Ayan, malapit na ako mag-end. Magto 2 hours na. Sis Yet, Waila, thank you. Maring Narms, thank you, Maring Narms. Sis Langdon, Brandon, Trending, Hammock Mountains, Cat, thank you. Catville Vlog. Uy, okay lang sis. No probs. Kasi busy ka talaga. Ako nga minsan di makapunta sa live mo, sis Yet. Kasi minsan sis, pag tawag nito, pag na, may time na hindi ko kaya ba, para akong nahihilo sis. Pag lagi ako na sa cellphone. Mix the Dreamer, Manay Ara, salamat sa inyong support kanina. MBTV, thank you. G-Tars, thank you. Haniko, Wilson Grasas, Onen, thank you.